Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Digital Clicks. My name is Augustus Philip, and it's been a while since my last video. I'm excited to be back with an important update that can help make your Amazon KDP publishing journey more profitable. Today, I want to introduce you to a powerful tool called BookCompass. Okay, BookCompass is a keyword research tool specifically designed for Amazon KDP publishers. It helps you analyze keywords, discover profitable opportunities, and identify high potential keywords for your book titles and listing. One of the biggest mistakes many KDP publishers make is publishing books based on guesswork. With BookCompass, you can stop guessing and start making data-driven decisions. This gives you more confidence that you are targeting keywords readers are already and actively searching for, okay, thereby increasing your chances of making sales. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced publisher, this tool can help you find better niches, improve your book visibility, and you publish more strategically. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in and see how BookCompass works. This is the tool. I've opened it, okay, and this is the web address, bookcompass.app. All right, so if you don't have accounts, you just have to sign up here. Okay, so if you have account already, you just have to log in. So I will log in my account now and we'll continue. All right, this is my dashboard. I am using a starter plan. Okay, so BookCompass has three plans: free plan, starter plan, and pro plan. The free plan, you can do 3 searches per day. Okay, the starter plan, you can do 20 searches per day, and the pro plan, 60 searches per day. Right now I'm using the starter plan. Okay, you can always click here to refresh your status. That is to check how many credits you've used for the day. All right, and this is where you input your keywords or niches that you want to search for or you want to analyze. All right, so I have a set of keywords. I'll just copy them and paste there. Okay, I'll just paste. This can take up to 30 at a time. All right, so after pasting your keywords, you just tap on this button, research keywords button. All right, and you see it do the search. It takes about 2 to 3 seconds for a particular keyword to be searched. All right, and I've pasted 8 keywords there. So let's see here. It doesn't waste time, it's very fast. Okay, so this is the result of the 8 keywords we've searched. The first one, you have the niche score, the keywords, the search volume, the competition, the top competitors, and related keywords. Right now, this is the keyword, the one you entered. Okay, and this niche score here, from it shows you 9/10. If you have anything from 7/10, it's good. All right, anything less than 7/10, that keyword should be avoided. All right, now under search volume is actually showing you demand. It's actually showing you demand, and this is 1500 and it's telling you it's medium. The competition is low, and that is why it shows you low here, and you are seeing excellent opportunity, low competition. So this is the remark for it. Okay, but for me, I go for search volume from 5,000 up when it's high, like this second one. All right, this second one, now you see you have 9/10 for this keyword. This is tech keywords for those of you doing tech. For me, I can write anything. So this is an opportunity for you to pick any one of these and write. You can even write on the ones I'll tell you to write on. Okay, so for me, I can write on this one. This is the demand is there, the competition is low. All right, so this aspect is, this other column is the top competitors. Okay, it's not for you to write on. Somebody was asking me, are we to take these titles? No, these are not your titles. These are titles in this niche already. Okay, these are your competitors. You can copy it and check it on Amazon. These are your competitors. All right, and we don't have related keywords on this keyword we search because this is a long tail keyword. If you impute a short tail keyword, you should be able to have related keywords. All right, so the next one you see, still the same thing. I can still write on this one. This one is low, the demand is very low. Okay, that's the search volume is low, though the niche score is okay and the competition is okay. All right, now this one is medium, competition is medium, search is okay. So you can still write on this one 7/10 search volume, that's the demand is high and the competition is high. It means people are already on these keywords, right? All this one showing medium now. Okay, so all these ones are keywords you can pick up and write immediately, and in no distant time you will start making sales. So this is a very simple tool that you can start using today, and you will stop guessing while publishing your book. Okay, for you that doesn't know how to interpret this result, or for reference purpose, if you click here, you see this place, how to read results. It will now open here. Okay, it will now open, and this is the interpretation of your result. Okay, you can always come back to how it works to check your result if you are not following very, like I said earlier, from 7 to 10 for niche score is okay. All right, so that is it. This one is the search volume, and you see this is the competition level, and that is it. All right, so I highly encourage you to check out BookCompass and see how it can improve your Amazon KDP publishing results. If you'd like to get started, use the promo code BETTER20 when you sign up to get 20% off your subscription for the next 6 months. All right, code is displayed on the screen. I'll leave the BookCompass sign up link in the description below, along with the link to the support group. All right, for BookCompass, if you have any issue, you can contact the admin directly in that support group. All right, and you can as well connect with other publishers and get help when needed. Also, if you are looking for personalized guidance to accelerate your KDP success, you'll find a link to my Amazon KDP mentorship program in the description as well. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future KDP tips, strategies, and updates. I'll see you in the next video. Happy publishing.